for tongs. 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 Tongs are used for gripping, lifting, and turning food. Tray. 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 Tray is the flat surface for carrying food and drinks. Trivet. 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 Trivet is a mat for stand placed under hot dishes to protect surfaces. Tumblers. 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 Tumblers are drinking glasses without handles. Timer. Timer. Timer is used for tracking cooking or baking time. Tea. Detective question. Which tea tool grabs hot food? And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is tongs.